Tuloy-tuloy lang po ang ensayo ng Gilas Pilipinas National Pool para sa upcoming Siaba 2017 tournament, May 12 to 18 na po. Pero ngayon, they have a chance to compete against some of the best, some of the brightest stars in the PBA dahil sa palapit na PBA All-Star Week. Kaya naman, pakinggan natin kung ano yung mga inaabangan at kung ano ang mga talagang inaasahan ng ating manlalaro ng Gilas Pilipinas. Carl, parang base sa practice kanina, parang go hard kayo sa scrimmage. Nararamdaman nyo ba talaga na talagang kailangan ng mag-go hard nyo sa practice kasi palapit na rin yung Siaba tournament?
Oo naman. Preparation namin to para sa Siaba at sa mga upcoming tournaments namin. Tsaka lalong umintense kasi dumating din si Boss MVP. So talagang kailangan namin ibigay yung best namin.
Sa Tagaytay, that was just to get familiar with everybody. But now everyone knows each other's tendencies, I believe. Well, at least I do. We have a better understanding of how to play with each other, play the offense, and know where everyone likes to get the ball and where everyone can be at most advantageous. So we definitely made some strides in the right direction moving towards Siaba.
Ngayon na you have a chance na talagang makatapat yung the best of the PBA, gaano ka ka-excited naman masubukan yung sarili mo laban sa mga veteran at sa mga malapit talaga ng PBA?
Siyempre, as a rookie, talagang tinitingala ko yung mga idol ko eh. So, makakalaban ko pa yung mga PBA Selection All-Star. So, para sa akin, talagang it's a big challenge for me para mag-grow din ako as a player.
If you're a major competitor and you want to be the best, you obviously have to play against the best. And playing in the All-Star game and playing against Gilas guys and former Gilas guys and other All-Stars in the league, that's what you want to do. That's what you want to size. You want to size yourself up against guys like Calvin Abueva. Just to see where you're at in your career. So, obviously, everyone here wants to be the best. Everyone here wants to be, top-tier player. So this is the best time to get a gauge of where everyone's at right now.
Malaking sakripisyo sa kanila yun. Alam namin yun eh. Kasi they're still playing for the PBA, for the other teams. Tapos they're practicing for Gila. So, malaking pasasalamat namin sa kanila sa sakripisyong binibigyan na sa bansa at bama nila. And we appreciate that. We'd like to thank the PBA for their cooperation. So, but we are doing our best and providing the Gilas team with the requisite resources for them to be the best they can be, no?
Pilipinas!